言い訳はよらない、歩け。答えないのは疑いの2日。疑いじゃない、確認だ。まだ息をしてたんだな。
Hello guys, welcome. If you want to know how to create these cinematic videos, be my guest. Today I'll show you step by step exactly my flow, how I do it. And I found the easiest way right now, and this website helped me a lot. This is Videoinu.com, and I'll show you exactly how my workflow works. First of all, I love the Naruto, and I'll do the cinematic of the Naruto, of course, as you guys saw. And let's dive into the app firstly. I'll show you this website has too many tools, but right now we need the AI image. And when you go to the AI image, we have options here, Nano Banana 2, we have the seed dreams, Nano Banana Pro. And also I'm gonna show you right now that if you switch to the video, we have all the advanced tools here. And if we go to the audio, I will show you the audio as well when we go to that part. But firstly, let's start with the frames. As I mentioned in the last videos, frames are crucial to your video generation because you can use them as the start frames, as the end frames, as the just regular frames, and these pictures give you the idea how your video is going to look. For example, like I generated some pictures here. And I started like that before I started the recording. I just wrote down that Itachi Uchiha as real life, live action character, ultra realistic. Let's write down something like Kakashi Hatake from Naruto Shippuden as real life, live action movie character, ultra realistic. And let's go. Let's see what is going to be generated. And this is the result we got from Nano Banana Pro. This is the best picture model in my opinion. You can use something else, whatever you like, but for me, this is the best one. So let's try now this character and let's add Itachi as well. And let's write down something like image 1, which is Kakashi, is punching image 2, and image 2 is blocking punch with his hands crossed. Something like this. Let's see how it's gonna be generated. I'm doing this because like I need the frames of the fight, because when we go to the videos, I want to know before I start generating the videos how the video is going to look, how my characters is going to look, and everything comes from the frames. So do not like waste your time just making videos without frames. This is going to be the waste of time. You need the consistent characters, which is only makeable with the frames. So do so give your time to the frames. You can use most of your time while you're making video to make the frames you love and you like. And as I said, the scene is ready. Kakashi, image 1, is punching image 2, which is Itachi, and he is blocking the punch with his hands crossed. That's exactly what I wanted. And you can generate everything like this. I will show you some real simple example right now. Let's say we need right now this picture to use the background. So I will say like remove both characters from picture because I will use this as a background, and then also I need one more thing here. These two characters are standing in front of each other doing nothing but stare each other. Let's see what we get. Let's wait for the generation. So it gave us the background and the scene exactly as I mentioned. And let's go to the fun part right now. Let's try to do the video. We need the first frame. We got one. And we need the last frame. We got that one as well. So right now we have first frame and last frame. And let's write slow motion video. We have to change cadence to the Kling because cadence has the copyright right now with the famous characters, and the copyright issue is the huge. When the cadence came out, you could have used it for anything, like any character, any famous person, but right now you cannot generate Naruto or anything. Probably you cannot even generate your own face antecedents right now, but it was same as the Sora, and right now you can generate whatever you want, and you can choose any face. Right now, so you cannot use the faces and the famous characters. So we go to the Kling. Kling is super cool model. You guys going to see that. Slow motion video. Kakashi, person on the right, is throwing a punch, and Itachi, person on the left, is blocking it with his hands crossed. Let's see how it goes. Video is generated and let's see how it looks. That looks fine. Let's see one more time. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna use this. Now you may see the reason I told you the pictures are important. So let's see the first frame, last frame, and the video looked like perfect for us. Let's see it one more time. Kakashi hits, Itachi blocks it. That's the every step you need to generate the videos like that. You need the script in your head, script with the AI chatbots, anything, and then just build the frames. Build your video frame by frame, and then AI video generators such as like Kling 3.0 is like perfect to generate scenes like that. And after that, we go to the one more important part, which is music. When you want to generate videos like this is gonna be nothing without the sound effects, such as like music. I personally use Suno and write down this one. Trailer cinematic, violin, drums, horns. That's all. That's all I do it. And I'm not gonna write down any lyrics because I don't need lyrics. Let's see what we will get. And let's see the music. I'm not gonna make you listen all the music, but you got the point, right? You need a epic trailer soundtrack, and you have everything inside this platform. That's why I love Videoinu. I just showed you I generated image, I generated video, I generated audio, and this is for the trailers of the Naruto in the long form videos. But in the next videos, I'll show you what this website can do with YouTube Shorts, which are perfectly working, and I'll show you the results as well because this website is making like 1 minute long storyline videos by itself, and this is perfect, and I'll show you those in the next video. Right now this was it. I'll show you the final results right now of the cinematic trailer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
まだ終わってない。待たせたのは君だ。言い訳はよらない、歩け。答えないのは疑いの2日。疑いじゃない、確認だ。まだ息をしてたんだな。